Buenos días, Huehuepiaxtla. Y ahorita vamos a hacer en este lado del pueblo la última calle. Ahí está la peña, el sol de Huehue. Ese es el camino para las vacas. So once again, guys, we're here in Huehue. It's a beautiful morning. There's a peña, there's the sun. Path for the cows. That's the street that we did the other day, yesterday. And I'm gonna do the very last street here at the end of the outskirts of Huehue. We'll begin now. This is the very last street on the other side of the Huehue, on the outskirts. Esta última calle de Huehue, al último. Buenos días.
Hola.
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
Bien, bien.
Buenos días. Ok, así que esta es la última calle del otro lado, pasando el Tepeyac, para atrás de la iglesia. Esta última calle de Huehue, ya está la última, no hay más. Y aparentemente no tiene nombre. So basically, guys, this is the very last street at the end, in the outskirts of Huehue, which means is once you pass the back end of the Tepeyac, this will be the last street. And again, this is on the outskirts of Huehue. It's got no name, obviously. So this is where the video ends, and this will be my final video of the calles de Huehue, with no names and unknown, En fin.